Life is meant to be enjoyed, so why waste precious time cleaning your new pool when Waterco's Blue Square Q360 in-floor pool cleaning system will do it for you? Seamlessly integrated into the pool floor, the Q360 system continually cleans your pool while you relax. It can handle all debris levels, so there's no need for an additional pool cleaner. The Q360 system has been engineered to provide superior in-floor pool cleaning and maximum circulation, resulting in less algae growth and better heat and chemical dissipation throughout the entire pool, reducing maintenance and overall running costs. The Q360 cleans the pool even while you swim. Similar to a pop-up garden sprinkler, the system consists of a series of jets which pop up from the floor and steps of the pool. These jets rise successively to sweep leaves and debris towards an in-floor drain, becoming virtually invisible once they lower back into the pool floor. The Q360 Performance Plus cleaning jets feature an enhanced nozzle design which improves cleaning performance like never before. The jets are available with 3 nozzle sizes and in 5 colours to allow pool owners the flexibility to coordinate with their swimming pool's design. The leaves and debris are drawn from the drain by a pool pump, then deposited into Waterco's Trimline large capacity leaf catcher designed to effectively catch the heavy leaf matter before the filtration system. The pool water is then pumped through Waterco's award-winning multi-cyclone, which is a brilliant centrifugal filtration device. Its design means no moving parts nor filter media to clean or replace. With the multi-cyclone in line, 80% of the incoming dirt and grit stirred up by the in-floor system is captured, easing the workload for the filter, significantly reducing filter maintenance, saving time and water. At the heart of the Q360 in-floor pool cleaning system is the Q360 variable speed valve. This revolutionary valve propels water effectively to each jet with maximum flow and minimum water pressure variations. Its main features include an 8-vaned hydraulically efficient turbine for smooth energy transfer and a triple-action gear drive which distributes powerful water flow via its 6 ports to each rotating jet. The final part of the system is the patented Eclipse drain. With its generous dimensions and sleek circular shape, the Eclipse drain virtually disappears in the floor of the pool by seamlessly integrating with the pool surface. What makes it so special is the revolutionary circular channel that provides maximum flow, efficiently removing dirt, leaves and debris from the water. Eclipse meets all industry anti-entrapment safety regulations, leaving you with the peace of mind that comes with a compliant product. Your Waterco Blue Square Q360 cleaning system is designed prior to construction and tailored to suit the shape of your pool. Waterco's pioneering solutions for healthy, safe water environments are used in residential, commercial and industrial applications in over 40 countries. You know you're in good hands with Waterco. Welcome to Waterco's Blue Square Q360 in-floor pool cleaning system. What would you rather be doing? Visit waterco.com.au today.